I'll only be happy if I make a certain amount of money. Oh, I will only be happy if I get a promotion. Oh, I'll only be happy if I buy my dream house. Oh, I'll only be happy if I buy my dream house or build my dream house, right? And this is the reason why so many people are actually depressed and also unhappy in their current life. This is the very reason, because they are looking for that external thing that will only make them more depressed, because all the happiness that we want, we all already have that within ourselves, right? So we don't have to buy that external thing to actually make us happy. And to be honest, the reason why many people are doing this is because of what we call our dopamine being bombarded, and we're getting all this instant gratification. This is the main reason why people are thinking of this, right? People are always living in lack. People are always living in limiting belief that they're not good enough, and they think that if only they can get that certain amount of income, if only they can make that, have that promotion in their job, then they're going to be happy. But why can't we live in complete abundance? Why can't we do that? The main reason I already shared with you is because of social media, instant gratification, and getting bombarded with all this, dopamine. Our dopamine's getting like triggered every second. Like we're getting notification, we're getting messages, we're getting DMs, and our mind is not able to focus. And once we get off all these social media platforms, just try it for 7 days, you're gonna be a totally different person. I remember when I actually started my first online business, which was eBay dropshipping, back in 2016, 2017. That's when I started um, getting into this online space. And I didn't have any direction to follow. I didn't know what to do, right? So I just started dabbling with, like, I started listing product from Amazon to eBay, and I just started learning. And I didn't even like go to YouTube or do any of the research, right? It was all like I was doing all these things by myself, right? Finding ways to be earning income online, right? And at that time, I was self teaching myself how I can actually find ways to be successful, and I started making money. And when I had any issues, I had any roadblocks, what I did, I called the customer service on eBay, tried to find a solution. Or that time, PayPal was integrated with eBay, so we had to call PayPal or call eBay and call Amazon customer support and try to figure out like how we can actually solve these issues. Right. At that time, I wasn't going to YouTube. At that time, there was TikTok, or there was probably Instagram, there was probably Facebook, but I was not on any of these social media platforms, right? I was completely out. And I was finding solution and I was making money, but later on I wanted to scale up. That's when I started investing into like different mentors, different courses. And that's when I started coming on like YouTube, because after COVID, um, drop shipping got really hard, got really saturated. So I started finding different ways, and that's when I stumbled upon YouTube automation, right? And before that, I was not in any of the social media platform, and I was like really laser focused into doing one thing. But also at the same time, I was super happy at that time. Like, I was not chasing money to be happy, because I was already happy inside, right? And this is something that you have to realize and like practice this on a daily basis. That even if you don't get any like the dream job that you want, the amount of income that you want, right? You don't have to chase all these things to be happy. Be happy right now. And the way you're gonna be doing that to be happy right now is, have a like dopamine detox, right? Get off all these social media platform, start having cold showers, doing daily meditation, visualize when you're sleeping. There's like a lot of different ways people actually do meditation, also do breath work, and do journaling. First thing that you get up in the morning, you can have cold shower, and have like some sort of exercise, like at least like 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes after you wake up. It's gonna like have your blood pumping in your body, making you think clear. Have a quiet time. These are the things that you can actually do to be happy, be within, because whatever answers that you want, we already have within ourselves. So you don't have to look for external things to make you happy, so start practicing this, and let me know in the comments section what you actually think about this. Also, let me know if any of the daily rituals that you're doing, that's actually helping you to be happy and be within yourself, because all the answers that you want, you already have within yourself. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless, and bye for